Today, I present to you a new video about a powerful and proven treatment for many body ailments. It is an antibacterial and antimicrobial agent, an anti-inflammatory, and an anti-cancer treatment, God willing, as well as a liver booster, God willing. Watch the video to the end, and please like the video so it can spread and reach as many people as possible. Today, God willing, we will talk to you about the Indian Costus plant, Al-Qust al-Hindi. Of course, Indian Costus is well known. This plant is considered an anti-inflammatory and an antiviral agent for the entire body. It is regarded as the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory and antiviral on earth, and eliminates intestinal worms in both adults and children. This plant is considered the primary and ultimate treatment for thyroid issues, God willing, as it treats the thyroid whether it is suffering from hypothyroidism, underactive, or hyperthyroidism, overactive. It also treats tonsillitis and ends the problem of the tonsils. Of course, it is also considered an anti-cancer agent for the entire body. It prevents cancer and resists existing cancer cells in the body. Furthermore, it treats throat infections completely, treats lung infections, and treats the respiratory system, including pulmonary edema, fluid accumulation, or even permanent lung fibrosis. It also treats ovarian cysts in women, and I will provide you with the specific formula. It is considered a medical and effective treatment for skin problems. After being ground, it is mixed with extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil or with beeswax. When applied to the skin, God willing, it treats psoriasis. It is considered one of the best ointments made to eliminate psoriasis. It is also considered a treatment for stomach problems, stomach infections, and even peptic ulcers. We add it to pure honey, dried and ground pomegranate peel, and black seed, Nigella sativa, using 50 grams of each type mixed with honey, God willing. Adults take a medium spoonful 3 times a day, while children take a small spoonful morning and evening, or this dose can be dissolved in a glass of water and drunk. It eliminates many of the problems we mentioned. It also eliminates fluid accumulation in the body for those suffering from edema, kidney problems, or renal infections, God willing. Even for those with ascites, fluid accumulation in the abdomen, it is immensely beneficial. We take 100 grams of Indian Costus and 100 grams of ground-dried pomegranate peels, mixed with a kilogram of pure natural honey. A large spoonful is taken on an empty stomach in the morning and before bed to eliminate body fluids. This should be continued for a period of 1 month to 40 days to ensure a final result. Indian Costus has another use for those with asthma in the respiratory system or bronchial allergies. The method of treatment is vaporization, steam inhalation, with this plant. For those who cannot find guaranteed pure honey, or if honey is expensive in some areas, we place a small spoonful of ground Indian Costus in a cup of water, stir it, and drink it 3 times a day. It is essential to follow a healthy diet. Stay away from carbonated drinks, sugars, pastries, fried foods, and hydrogenated vegetable oils. Replace vegetable oils with extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil, and stay away from milk. We ask God for healing for all patients. Please consult a physician before starting any natural treatment, especially for pregnant women or those with chronic medical conditions.